Brownie,
Brownie.
which is a combination of a pizza and a brownie. It's basically a dessert pizza. I started with a bunch of chocolate hazelnut spread, and I added 3 eggs, and I kind of stirred them together, and I'm gonna sprinkle in flour a little bit at a time. When I first made this brownie recipe, I was very skeptical because I thought there is no way that that chocolate hazelnut spread is going to, combine with eggs and flour and result in what is one of my most favorite desserts, brownies. Okay, the rest of the flour goes in. You gotta trust me on this. Okay, so I got the brownie batter all stirred up, and I've got a round pizza pan, and I put a square of parchment on there and sprayed the parchment really well because you wanna be able to get this brownie off of the pan very easily. So you just kind of get it almost to the edge of the pan. The oven's gonna kind of let it ooze a little bit out. So let's go bake this, Alex.
Let's do it.
It's gonna bake at 350 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes until it's set. And then I'm gonna take it out, let it cool, and cover it with toppings. Okay, so the brownie has been baked and cooled, and look at this, how yummy it looks. So before I decorate the top, I'm gonna make a ganache, and that's gonna be like the pizza sauce on the pizza. So it also has chocolate hazelnut spread and chocolate chips, and I'm just gonna make it like I would normally make ganache. I have a saucepan with really hot cream, and it has to be hot, 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 hot cream. So I'm gonna go ahead and start stirring, and if the cream is hot enough, that heat will take you through to the end, and you'll wind up with the glossiest, most gorgeous ganache. Okay, Alex, come in here and look at this.
Oh, baby. That was some glassy ganache.
I love it when she does those little comments. Okay, so I've got the cooled crust, and here goes the sauce. Oh my gosh, that is rude. Rude and beautiful all at the same time. So you want to spread it out kind of to the edge, and now on with the candies. So candy coated chocolate pieces go first, and then little malted milk balls, which is an old favorite of mine. I used to eat these in the movie theater. Little caramels coated in chocolate. And see, I'm leaving everything big because it's fun that way. And then some little toffee pieces. And we are not even close to being done yet.
Ooh.
So I like to melt a little bit of white almond bark in the microwave and get it kind of to the pourable stage. And then just take a fork and drizzle back and forth. And then just to make sure it's colorful and happy and fun. And because sprinkles just make everything better, I like to go over the top with sprinkles. I mean, make this for your friends, make it for your teenagers, just make it.